Hello and welcome to today's Grammar Game Show. I'm your host, Will. Just try and contract me, you'll see what happens. And of course, let's not forget Leslie, our all-knowing voice in the sky.
Hello, everyone!
Tonight we're going to ask you 3 questions about...
Question tags. Those little auxiliary verb plus pronoun combinations for checking and asking.
Okay, now let's meet our contestants.
Hello all, my name's Liz.
And contestant number 2.
It's nice to meet you. I'm Felicia.
Nice to see you again, Liz. This will be 4 in a row for you, won't it? Win this one and you'll be our longest running contestant, won't you? This is game show history, isn't it?
I'll do my best.
That's the spirit. I might even let it help you. Okay, let's get going and don't forget, you can play along at home too. Here comes round 1. Fingers on buzzers. What is the basic rule for construction of a question tag?
Use an auxiliary verb that matches the main verb phrase, but opposite, such as positive to negative, then add a pronoun that refers to the subject.
Correct!
Well done. Let's get some practice. I'll give you the sentence and you give me the question tag. He can play football.
He can play football, can't he?
Correct!
You didn't see James.
You didn't see James, did you?
Correct!
She never cleans up.
She never cleans up, does she?
Correct!
They've been to France.
They've been to France, haven't they?
Correct!
You hardly ever study.
You hardly ever study, do you?
Correct!
I'm amazingly cool.
I'm amazingly cool, aren't I?
Correct!
Sorry. You are amazingly cool, aren't you?
Also correct, though factually inaccurate.
No bread or water for you tonight, Leslie. Do your job.
That was good work, wasn't it? Question tags are used to ask questions or check information. They are constructed by using an auxiliary verb from the main verb phrase and a pronoun referring to the subject. If the main verb phrase is affirmative, the question tag should be negative, and vice versa.
Well done, both of you. 10 points to Felicia and 5 to Liz.
What? Why 5?
You're nearly our next champion. You didn't think we were going to just give it to you, did you? Our last champion was so wonderful. Oh, I'll never forget her. Good old, Maya. Anyway, on to round 2. This is a triple threat round. 3 questions. Get them all right to score. Question 1. What is the question tag for an imperative such as be quiet?
Use a modal verb like could or will. Be quiet, could you?
Correct!
That's just rude. -3 points. Question 2. What is the pronoun used in a question tag for sentences using there, such as there's no hope?
We repeat the there. There's no hope, is there?
Correct!
You should never give up hope. -100 points for being a pessimist. Last question. What is the pronoun used in question tags using words like somebody or something?
For somebody, we use they. Somebody wants me to win, don't they? As for something, we use it. Something went wrong, didn't it?
Correct!
Leslie!
Nice, nice, nice. Imperatives have no auxiliary verb. To make a question tag with one, use a modal verb, such as could, would, or will. But be careful of being impolite. For sentences using there as a subject, Also use there in the question tag. Finally, with words like somebody, everybody, and nobody, use they. And for something, everything, and nothing, use it.
Well done, Felicia. 60 points to you.
But I answered the question.
Oh, come on, champ. No one likes a sore loser. Suck it up a bit.
Yeah, suck it up a bit, won't you?
No one likes a sore winner either, Felicia.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
On to our last question. Is this question tag correct? When would someone use it? You're getting married, are you?
Yes, it's correct. Double positive tags are possible.
Why?
Funny that it's dropped out of my head.
Ooh, Liz?
They often express surprise or concern or other emotional emphasis.
Very professionally done, champ. Leslie?
I couldn't have put it better myself, so I won't. Double positive question tags are common after affirmative sentences. They are usually used as responses to something that has just been said. The speaker repeats the information they have just heard and uses the tag to show interest, surprise, concern, or some other emotional emphasis.
Excellent work. You're a fighter, Liz. That's why I'm giving you minus 12 points. And that brings us to the end of today's grammar game show. Let's count out the points. And the winner is Liz with 53. Well done. Here's what you've won.
It's a boxing glove! You're king of the world, champ!
We'll see you again next week where you can play for another prize. And Felicia, you didn't really stand a chance, did you?
How does any of this make any sense?
It doesn't even matter. Free the horses. It looks like we'll need another contestant. Thanks for joining us. Say goodbye, Leslie.
Amachadeha, Leslie.
See you next time.